That gives it kind of a nice little look. Here comes the cameraman.
Yeah. We're at the KUSI news station. It's pretty cool.
Hey, dude.
Come on, man.
Ain't no noodle for you.
You can't shake the machine at KUSI news station.
There's police sirens, there's radar detectors, fuel cells in that, there's jammers, there's
You have fuel cells in it?
digital scanners, there's
Ask him about the last car he took on a route.
last car we took was a California Highway Patrol car.
It's slim.
We themed it as a swine flu response team. So you could,
Swine
check us
flu
out.
response. Parks in front of a hotel empties out, and they try to tow his car.
Very cool wheels, HRE, obviously, very cool company up in Vista.
MCRD.
Let's go up there,
Yep.
meet up there, bring your cool car. Don't know if it's going to be this cool, but it'll be, you know, whatever car you have will be fine. If you have a pickup truck, you can come along, right?
That's right.
As long as you can burn out.
That's
Yeah,
right.
there you go.
All car enthusiasts are welcome. We're just praying the car community get together to support the Marine Schools for Tots.
Start in Vista. At the MCRD, or you can catch them up, because there's going to be a big MCRD car show today.
There is.
It'll go till 2 o'clock. So if you can't make it up to HRE, then you can definitely meet them out there.
All right, very good. David, thank you.
My pleasure.
Thank you all for coming and bringing your cool cars.
Thank you.
Do appreciate that. Let's take one last look at this cool.
to the heat. And even when I was close to defeat, I rose to my feet. My life's like a sound.
On a baseball hat, compliments of Scooby and United States Baseball. You gotta get up to the big yellow truck. There's only one way we can test drive any of this stuff here.
Toys for kids for Christmas.
We gotta get you a hat.
Is that all stuff
You gotta have a hat.
It's a lot of stuff.
Here he is. A couple more left. How many people are in a platoon?
Kids love Elmo.
How many people in the squad?
Tons of toys.
13 in the squad. Okay. Here's a hat. Okay, all you guys that have hats, hold your hand, right hand up with your hat.
You already
See where you